You're obviously a man who's having troubles at home. You're constantly fighting with your family over what TV shows to watch. You spent many a sleepless night waiting up for a program that doesn't start till 1 in the morning. Then when you look forward to watching something, you often miss it because you have to go somewhere. Well, fortunately, you're looking at a simple solution to your problems. Sony Betamax. With it, you can do things with your television you never thought possible. Let's say, for example, the 7th game of the basketball playoffs is on, or some other terrific show that you not only want to watch, but record, so you can watch it whenever you want. With Betamax, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, put the video cassette in. Then select the channel that you want, and then press record. Playing something back is even easier. Just put the cassette in. Press this, and you're in business. Let's take another situation. Say the networks are playing the ratings game and showing 2 terrific shows on the same night at the same time, and you can't decide which one to watch. With Betamax, you don't have to. You can actually record one show while you watch the other. All you have to do is select the channel you want to record, press this button, set this, and then sit back and enjoy whichever show you want, while Betamax records the other one. You see, with Betamax, just because something is on at 8 o'clock doesn't mean you have to watch it at 8 o'clock. And then, of course, there are those lazy afternoons when all you want to do is lie around and watch ball games all day. But your family has some other ideas. Well, with Betamax, you can even record shows when you're not home. Just put the cassette in, check the channel that you want, set the optional timer, press this button, and the Betamax will record for up to 2 hours, so you can watch the game when you get back. Finally, there are times when there isn't anything on worth recording. With Betamax, you can create something. Your own home movies. Just get this optional black and white sound camera, and you can shoot whatever you want. And with Betamax, you don't even have to wait for developing. Chances are, by now, you have some questions. Like, why, when there are other home video recorders, should you buy a Sony? Simply because Sony has over 20 years' experience in working with video recorders, more than anyone else. In 1961, Sony introduced the world's first transistorized video recorder. And 10 years later, a color video cassette system that was quickly recognized as the world's finest. Today, the heart of that system is embodied in every Betamax. In addition, Sony is the only company that makes all of its own parts, including these blank cassettes. Which is why your question really shouldn't be, why should I buy a Sony? But rather, how can I afford not to?